So previously we have set up this sidebar, but when we click this link and then go to the other page like roles or any other page, so this expanded navigation links will get again collapsed basically. So for that reason, what we can do is we can use a JavaScript local storage. So basically when I'm clicking this particular, I'm opening this settings, I can store this particular value in local storage, the JavaScript local storage, and then basically while loading I can check that if it's open, and then we can set that. Okay, so for the more details you can just search for local storage, so you'll get this details. So basically it has this local storage dot set item, and then we can set that particular name and value, and then we can get that item. So likewise, and we can remove that particular item. So this can be saved across the pages, but we already using alpinejs will do the same thing, but we'll use the alpinejs function. So for that we have this persist function in alpinejs. So what it will do, it will do the same thing. I mean, it will save that particular variable into this local storage, and then we can use that. So for this we can use this $persist. So whenever we are adding this x data count persist, and then we can add this particular function. So suppose in here we have this false, I will add it here, and I will add default value is false. Okay, so now I can check this here. I will just refresh this one. So when I expand this particular, and when I go to link, so other page, it will still remain these links. Okay, we have added it here for users. So same thing can be added for this one here. Okay, now this roles is open, links is open, but now you can see if I closed one thing, it will close one, means it will close both, and if I open one settings or user, it will open this both, means it's basically both are expanded. So alpinejs is doing using this particular same variable, means open as a variable to save that particular data. So in this case we need a custom key. So for that they have this option in persist, you can custom that particular key, means what should be what variable should be saved for local storage. So I will just copy this one dot as, and we'll add it here, and we will call this as open users, and then similarly I will copy it and paste it here, and we'll call it as open settings. Now both names will be different, so it will not conflict, and whenever I have this setting will be open. Whenever I open users will be open. Whenever I close settings will be closed. So this will work like this, so there will be no issues, and it works fine. Now we'll add one more link. We have, means we already had that leads while we added that CRUD's operation, all these things. So I will add this link below the dashboard. So dashboard, then here it's leads, route leads dot index, maybe let's see, leads index. So this is working fine. Now in leads basically we can make this proper means proper looking, as we have done for roles, means proper table and all these things. So for leads also I will add this table. So I will go into this leads view, so views, then leads, then index. Here I can add that particular table, so it will be the tr here and /tr. Then I will add this into td. So first td will be this name, second will be email, and third is basically this one, actions. Okay, for this I will also add table, and I will create a td for heading. So name, email, and then basically actions, and we'll close this particular table slash table. So we have removed div from top, so I will remove this closing div. Okay, table is done. And for links I will create one div dot p y3 to have some gap. Okay, let's see. Okay, pagination means there are no, means 10 rows are not there, so that's why it's not showing that much. And for this table I will make class with full. So I will give here class at the rate if loop even, then class will be bg gray 100 at the rate end if. I will save this one. Let's see, that's working fine. And for every td I will do that. Control F, replace td class, replace, save. Let's see. So this is fine actually. For tr also I will give bg gray 200. Okay, and this ahref I will give class block mp3, and it should be float, right? Okay, but after this it should clear both. Okay, we'll use that width full, width full. Okay, this is fine for now. We'll change that later around it also. Okay, so we have leads, we have roles, we have invite user, then user links is not required, so I will just remove this one. Okay, now we'll have to add the features and all these things in our CRM portal. Basic things are ready, and also basically for that particular page means current subscription and all these things. So I will just add link here for subscription, and we'll change that later. So I will just paste it here, and subscription. So I will remove this link, and basically we will add subscription details here, current plan, expiry, then upgrade option and all these things. And then what else we can do is we can add notifications here, then search bar here, and then campaigns, contacts, then leads, then we'll see when task management, projects and all these things should be added or not, but there are so many things needs to be added. One more thing we'll do is we'll add when I click particular page, so it should show that particular difference, means which page are we in for this navigation links. So if I go to this navigation menu, so you can see there is this active request is particular, means it's checking that particular route is that or not. So same thing we can do here. So for sidebar, so here if we are in this invite user, so we can use this one. So I will add at the rate if, then this request route is dashboard, then this will be class. So this will be class like bg slate 300. I will do wrong, we will change that later. So at the rate and if, okay. So and this I will again put this into else, and then else. Okay, then one thing is, so this will be the business dot invites. So route will be the business dot invites. Let's see. So if I invite user, so it will be like that. And if I do the same thing for this roles, so roles will be business dot roles. Let's see, it's working fine. So this is working fine. So likewise, so it will have that particular, if I open, this will be open, and if I go to this roles, if I go to invite roles, so user can see the difference, which particular page are we in. So that's it for this video.